3, 2, 1.
Which of these drinks would you associate with Thailand? The answer is D, Sang Som rum. Animal cells grow mainly by synthesizing protein-rich cytoplasm, a process that is described as expensive in what way? The answer is D, metabolically. Who kills Vito Corleone? The answer is B, no one, he just dies. Which type of furniture is often used for outdoor seating? The answer is A, patio chair. The first door described in the book The Drawing of the Three leads Roland to Eddie Dean, a heroin addict in the process of smuggling some drugs. What is the label on this first door? The answer is C, the prisoner. Which is not a fundamental counting principle? The answer is A, the pigeonhole principle. Which Norse goddess rules over fate? The answer is B, Hel. What Mark Twain book is the following line from? All right, then, it'll go to hell. The answer is A, Huckleberry Finn. Which process is responsible for the growth and repair of human tissue? The answer is C, cell division. Which author wrote The Dispossessed? The answer is A, Ursula K. Le Guin. Which theory explains the behavior of infants and young children? The answer is C, Piaget's theory. Which of these women is the mother of Aristotle Onassis' two children? The answer is B, Athena Lavanos. Which movie features a character named Neo who learns he is the one? The answer is A, Matrix. Which device converts AC to DC, or vice versa? The answer is B, inverter. What causes the most soil and rock erosion?
The answer is C, water.
Which artist painted the Scream? The answer is A, Edvard Munch. What is the primary ingredient in haggis, a traditional Scottish dish? The answer is A, lamb. What is the largest kingdom in the biological classification system? The answer is D, plants. Which molecule stores energy for later use in a cell? The answer is A, AP. What do you call a kitchen appliance that bakes food? The answer is D. Oven. What accessory did Audrey Hepburn popularize in Breakfast at Tiffany's? The answer is C. Gloves. Who was the first president of India? The answer is D. Rajendra Prasad. Which device did Bill Gates co-found Microsoft to produce? The answer is C. Personal computer. What does the W in Wi-Fi stand for? The answer is D. Wireless Internet Freedom. Which game features a city named Rapture and was created by Ken Levine? The answer is A. BioShock. Which of these U.S. presidents was in office less than 1 year? The answer is A. William Henry Harrison. Who is the author of Meditations? The answer is B. Descartes. What is the name of the most efficient possible engine? The answer is D. Carnot engine. What is a sieve used for? The answer is B. Sifting. What Swedish automobile maker produced a vehicle for the Swedish Army in 1959? The answer is B. Volvo. Which ocean has the lowest salinity? The answer is D. Arctic. What is a common chemical substance on planet Earth? The answer is A. Water. What is the name of Kyle's adopted brother in the film South Park, Bigger, Longer Uncut? The answer is D. Ike. Hydrogen is located on the left side of the periodic table in the same column as the alkali metals, but it has characteristics of a nonmetal. Which of the following is a physical property of hydrogen? The answer is C. Hydrogen is a gas at room temperature. In The Golden Compass, what is Lyra's demon's favorite form to sleep in? The answer is A. Ermine. In the episode of Saved by the Bell in which Jessie gets addicted to caffeine pills, what test is she studying for? The answer is C. Geometry. Motors are the most common application of magnetic force on current-carrying wires. Motors have loops of wire in this. The answer is A. Magnetic field. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? The answer is C. Florence. A solar cell turns sunlight into another form of energy. A solar cell is most like what natural structure? The answer is B. A plant's leaves. Seals are most likely to be found in what type of environment? The answer is B. Arctic. What is the Japanese dish served with soy sauce and rice? The answer is A. Sushi. Which TV series is set in a dystopian future where humanity lives in underground cities? The answer is C. Black Mirror. What kitchen item is used to cut vegetables into thin slices? The answer is C. Knife. What is bound by strings, yet is free? The answer is A. Kite. Which kingdom includes algae and mushrooms? The answer is C. Fungi. Who was the first person to paint a self-portrait? The answer is A. Rembrandt. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and what other cell is found in blood? The answer is D. Platelets. Which kind of flowers carry both male and female floral organs? The answer is C. Perfect flowers. What do chemotrophs extract energy from? The answer is D. Chemical compounds. In Pixar's Finding Nemo, who plays the voice of Crush, the wisecracking sea turtle?